how to deal with blends because, you know, cotton's a nice shirt, but not everybody wants a cotton shirt. People want to blend. You know, ultimately it's whatever the customer picks out. You want to try to give them the best quality thing you can.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I think like most customers, if it looks pretty good, they're not nitpicking tiny little details.
Yeah.
So.
And a lot of times they're not really looking for, you know, if you're just making shirts for their, you know, housing for habitat group, you know, they want something nice, but that doesn't, you know, a lot of times those shirts they only get worn once or twice.
Yeah.
I mean, for real, then they'll maybe wear it as an undershirt or something under a shirt, but they don't.
These test shirts.
Yeah.
Wear them for undershirts a lot.
Yeah. And more and more, I've seen that lately. You know, it used to be when people would show up for work, they would have their button-down shirt and they'd just have a white shirt. But more and more lately, people are putting colored shirts underneath and a little dress here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's starting to
Really get warm.
really warm up, yeah.
Okay. Well, the tests and calibration don't take too long, and the last one is we're going to need to make sure your shirt for.
Okay. Oh, yep, I'll go get it. Bring the paper down. Needs paper. Good, it's uploaded. For the computer?
No, for like videos.
Oh, good. Oh, so far good. Seems, yeah. Yeah. Good thing we got going in this because the stock market's dropping a little bit. Dropped 1,000 points or something.
Well, it was flying so high, it's on the
Yeah.
correct a little bit, I think. And hopefully it doesn't correct too much.
I think there's enough good fundamentals going on that I don't think we're going to see a massive correction. So some of those larger machines you were talking about, are those, I mean, because I know this is considered probably a mid-level machine. Now you can buy $1 million printer if you want to. Yeah. And the only difference would be, maybe they do a little bit better quality and faster.
Yeah. I mean, you mean for garments or
yeah.
other garments? I don't.
This is it.
Yeah, I kind of think, yeah. This is definitely the fastest garment printer.
Yeah.
And for the bigger companies, just have like a bunch of
more of them. Yeah. I think Brothers had a little video on their website. I think a Spreadshirt or something, and they had several cells set up, and I think they'd have like 2 or 3 of these, and they'd have like a computer screen. And it was kind of neat, you know. Somebody would come out with a little roller thing, and they'd take a shirt off, and everything would have a piece of paper on it. They'd scan it, and then somehow the machine would know what to print on it because it's all in the network. And they'd run it through. Then they brought it through a conveyor belt.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can really.
It's just, I mean, it all looks good, but you just have to have the business to do it.
Yeah, but it's totally scalable.
Yeah.
You can, really small business, just big as you want to go.
Yeah.
My eyes have been opened to this whole industry where a lot of people have a bunch of embroidery machines like,
Yep.
set up in the same area.
Yep.
That's a whole different thing. But,
Yeah, embroidery. It seems like it's what I've been told is that if you're gonna do embroidery, you want to do it on scale. You don't really spend $10,000 on one machine and have it sit in the corner. If you do it, you want to do it.
yeah.
But there's also, you know, the way we're thinking, it'd be kind of nice to have everything in-house so you don't have to outsource everything. But then you got the learning scale. Like embroidery is different than this, and so
I think it's harder than this.
yeah,
This is almost like a home printer in a way.
yeah,
How easy it is.
yeah. You know, you learn a little bit about Illustrator, and
Yeah, I was in a place where they just jumped in like you all, and they got an embroidery machine right next to this. And the guy who was training them, they were getting some good stuff by the time he left that day. So,
yeah,
it must be that hard to do.
yeah. It's my wife was looking at that as well. You know, it's a program. You basically send it the file, and it does its thing. And there's some nuances about what material you're embroidering on and what kind of backing you need and all that to make it turn out okay. But
Well, maybe that might be something down the road.
yeah,
This is definitely just really easy to. I mean, operating this in maintenance is going to be pretty quick as far as training. The more of the software stuff is probably what is going to be getting used to.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, this is something that you'll do. So under printer setting, go all the way down to CR speed adjust. It's carriage speed adjust.
Hmm.
It's after setup or cleaning, which when you do your cleaning, when you clean the rails, and then this bar here has four bearings that roll against it underneath, in the front and on the top. You want to keep that clean, otherwise if you start getting buildup and it's like bumping along, it'll affect your quality.
Right.
So after you clean that, then you do a CR speed adjust because it calibrates how the carriage motion is.
So it's basically just sliding back and forth on that to see.
And measuring the encoder where
Right.
it is. And it's pretty quick and easy. Right, we're ready for nozzle checks. Top right corner. It does auto cleaning every so often, just circulates the water.
So right now it's doing like a nozzle cleaning is what it's doing, or yeah.
The older machines didn't do nearly as many kind of automatic cleanings, so you ended up paying a price on a lot of labor of, trying to bring back nozzles that go out.
Usually that translates into downtime, and
Yes, yeah, exactly. So
yeah.
they're just making it as easy as possible. Some people might not like auto cleaning because it uses ink, but ultimately you don't want to lose your heads. So
Yeah.
that's not using a whole lot.
So when you did the shirt that you didn't use black on, is that a adjustment you use in here?
It's a graphics lab.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What you're sending over here is typically going to be a ARX file.
Okay.
You can send directly to the printer, but it's like the whole job already set up where you'll see it here, but you can't adjust it.
Right.
All you can really do is, let's say you have an uneven surface,
Mm-hmm.
you can turn off bidirectional, so it's only unidirectional printing.
Okay.
Because an uneven surface will not print sharp if it's printing both directions.
Okay.
It won't have the proper calibration, distance to the head.
Right.
So that can be done here, even though you'd still want to really set up uni in your driver. Because then you'll have to change it back. You might forget about it, and then all your prints are printing half the speed.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? So we're going to go to menu, test print. Nozzle check, CMYK. Pass. That's it. You are missing one cyan, so we'll want a cleaning.
How about this half line down there? Because this block seems like it's got one line less than that block.
Oh, yeah, it's just, I think, the way it's angled.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just the one missing.
Okay.
I can tell. So we'll go to menu. Actually, the first one is head cleaning. You can do normal. Go down to this. So we're only using that ink.
Okay, got it.
You can go and do the head cleaning here, but then it's just a normal, and you don't have the options to separate it out.
Right.
Why use the ink if you don't need to?
No, yeah.
Especially
So
white.
that head cleaning there, do we, I mean, if this does auto head cleaning, do we ever really have to push that or use that, or is that just a once in the morning thing or at night?
You don't need to run any cleanings unless, I would say run one of these in a white every morning.
Oh, okay.
And if they look fine, then don't worry about it.
Okay.